Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create social media post on perplexity. So I will be on the perplexity.ai and make sure you will have logged in. So here you will just what do you want to know. So if I just say that provide me image on busy city traffic, and let's see. So you will just in the right side you will see there's a search images button, so you will just tap on it, simply plus icon, and from here you will just choose any picture which you liked. If I just example save it on, I will just give them name city traffic, and now I will be just on my social media platform like Instagram, and I will just create a new post on it, and I will just select it from my desktop like this city traffic. So I will just tap on it next, and again next. So now I will just generate captions on it. I will just go back and I will just edit it. You will just simply remove this and write it here, generate caption on busy traffic image. So here is the caption ideas for a busy city traffic image. So the heartbeat of the city where every vehicle tells a story. There are many, but I will just copy it from number one. I will just simply copy it and I will just paste it here easily. And if you want to also generate the hashtags from perplexity, I will just go back and again I will just edit it and remove the caption, and in replace generate hashtags. So let's see. So what gonna do, you will just generally copy it these from here, and just simply you will just paste it here. So now you will just select it and just tap on it, share. So in this way you can just create social media post using perplexity.ai. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.